This is the Itel P40 4G. The first thing you notice when you pick up the box is the 7GB of RAM, 64GB of storage, and 18 watts of fast charging. 7GB of RAM on an Itel device. What's going on? We also get a big 6000 mAh battery, 4G connectivity, and a 13 megapixel camera that actually takes some decent pictures. So in this video, we're going to be taking a look at the Itel P40 4G and reviewing every aspect of this device to find out if you should buy it. Let's get to it. My name is Yudi. I talk about tech. Let's shoot. Before we get into the unboxing, if you are new to our channel or you are not yet subscribed, kindly subscribe to our channel. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell right beside it so that you get notified once we post new review videos just like this one. Okay, so this is the box of the Itel P40 4G. Inside we get the phone, a soft protective cover, a hard plastic case which offers very minimal protection, the SIM ejector tool, the charging brick, wired earphones, and the micro USB cable. All this for 60,000 naira. The design on the Itel P40 almost has like a racing theme going on here. You can see the two stripes on the rear. I kinda like it. The top part of the rear is glossy and it welcomes fingerprint smudges with open arms. The rear is made of plastic. There are also diagonal stripes that look really cool. You also won't get smudges on the rear of this phone since it's not glossy. The sides of the phone are flat. It has that boxy look. All in all, the phone feels sturdy and well built. The fingerprint sensor is located on the camera bump and it works well. Pretty accurate, but it is quite slow. On the right side is the power and volume buttons. At the bottom is the mono speaker grill, micro USB port, primary microphone, and the headphone jack. So still no Type-C port. On the left side is the dual SIM plus memory card slot, and yes, it is 4G capable. Now up top there is nothing. A 6.6-inch 720p LCD water drop notch display is what we get on the Itel P40. Bezels are not too big. The display's quality is decent. It's what you'd expect from an Itel device. It is sharp and the colors look okay. But when I used it under the sun, I struggled a bit, so it doesn't get that bright. By the way, if you're enjoying the video so far, hit that like button so that YouTube can show our video to more people, and subscribe to the channel while you're at it. Thank you. We get a 13 megapixel camera on the back and a 5 megapixel front facing camera. Photos look clean. They are pretty sharp even when I zoomed in. Selfies on the other hand are the opposite, so much noise and they are not as sharp as the rear camera. I am not a fan. Hey guys, so this is front facing video from the Itel P40 4G. This is shooting in 1080p resolution, is the highest the Itel can go. So let me know what you think of the video quality and the audio quality. I'm going to be heading out right now to see how it performs outside. So yeah, let's go. Okay, now we are outdoors, still on the selfie camera. So how does the video quality look like now? Still looks okay, I guess. But let me know what you think of the video quality. Do you like it? Is it good enough for you? Do you love it? Let me know in the comments below. The Itel P40 will be able to last up to 2 days without charge. We get a 6000 mAh battery on here, which is more than enough for most people. This entry-level phone also comes equipped with an 18-watt charger in the box, so a somewhat fast charger. It will take about 2 hours to charge from 0 to 100%. The Itel P40 is still on Android 12, so I guess Itel doesn't like Android 13. Itel's user interface looks a lot like Infinix and Tecno's user interface. Like you can't tell them apart, it's all the same. So I guess if you like the look and feel of Infinix and Tecno's devices, you'll like this too. For performance, it's powered by a Unisoc processor, the Unisoc SC9863A1. 4GB of RAM and even up to 7GB thanks to memory fusion. I'm still surprised we are seeing this amount of RAM on an Itel phone, and 64GB of storage. The Itel P40 will be fine for the basics, making calls, texting, watching videos, even light gaming. But anything that requires heavy CPU or GPU performance, this phone will fall short and will even get worse over time. The Itel P40 is really similar to the Infinix Smart 7 Plus. You can check out my video. I also did a review on the Infinix Smart 7 Plus. In fact, the only difference between both devices is the charging and the price. The Itel P40 has a micro USB port but 18 watts of fast charging, while the Infinix Smart 7 Plus has a Type-C port but with a slow 10 watts charging speed. And the Itel P40 is also more affordable, 11,000 naira more affordable. So for me, I do prefer the Itel P40. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos just like this one. My name is Yudi, this is Yudi Shoe. Thank you so much for watching, and you'll see me in my next video.